The most common healthy dosing regimen for bioidentical HGH injections is to take 5 days on and take 2 days off. Spreading the injections out 5 days per week prevents the body from being flooded with too much growth hormone at any one period of the week. The reason why it is seen as important to take 2 days off per week is because there is medical evidence that if the body receives too much exogenous HGH too often, then the pituitary starts to produce even less human growth hormone as a result. This is a temporary side effect, but by taking a break from HGH each week, it keeps the pituitary gland functioning at a higher capacity, slowing the rate at which benefits subside after a therapy cycle is complete. Human growth hormone replacement therapy is one of the most promising treatments available today in regard to health, wellness, and longevity. Avoiding HGH overdose and the symptoms of growth hormone abuse should be one of your most important considerations if you choose to engage in bioidentical HGH treatments. Although certain side effects are relatively common when growth hormone is abused, most patients experience few to no side effects as a result of treatment, other than those associated with how the body responds at the injection site. A small minority of patients may experience slight irritation or rash as a result of normal injection procedure, but there is no danger involved in this. If you do experience those symptoms, we recommend that you talk to your doctor and adjust your dose. For nearly 100% of patients, shrinking the dose or switching to a 2 injection per day method completely eradicates this medical issue. Irritation and rash are generally avoided by cycling the administration sites in order to not over-agitate one particular area of the body. Again, we reiterate, HGH hormone injections are a safe and effective method of treating human growth hormone deficiency. If you believe that you may be a candidate for HGH shots or any other therapy that our clinic provides, we encourage you to contact us here at the Conscious Evolution Institute today. We have a staff of fully qualified and highly trained physicians and specialists that can help you get the treatment you need in order to extend or restore your health, so that you may live a longer and healthier life. The Conscious Evolution Institute provides growth hormone therapy, sermorelin acetate therapy, and testosterone replacement therapy, among a number of other treatment options. The ultimate goal of the Conscious Evolution Institute is to provide our patients with therapies, treatments, and health plans that will help them live longer, fuller, and more complete lives. Although our treatments center around hormone replacement therapy, we combine those hormone treatments with a total health and fitness plan which is individualized in order to care for the unique needs of each of our patients. Our clinical specialists will help you design an exercise regimen and diet plan which will help you maintain a healthy weight as well as a reasonable body mass index. We also provide guidelines on nutritional and health supplementation in order to make sure that your body gets all of the nutrients and building blocks it needs to sustain a more optimal level of hormone function. If you are interested in hormone replacement therapy but are not yet convinced, we encourage you to give us a call. Our staff is available every business day and would be happy to answer any question you may have and even point you toward other materials and sources of information in order to help you make a more informed choice. Although we firmly believe in the effectiveness of the programs we provide, we understand and encourage our patients to make a thoughtful decision regarding any health plan that they choose, including our own. If you have taken the time to consider HGH injection therapy or any other hormone treatment plan we provide and feel that hormone replacement is right for you, the Conscious Evolution Institute is here for you with effective and competitively priced hormone medical treatments which we can deliver straight to your doorstep. The Conscious Evolution Institute mutually provides one of the fastest and most thorough hormone evaluations on the market. We have a network of affiliated physicians across the United States that can meet with you on your time in order to provide you with the physical and blood testing that our staff need to make a complete and thorough diagnosis. Your physical will be faxed to our staff and your blood work will be delivered directly to LabCorp, one of the largest and most professional blood testing companies in the globe. Within just 5 business days, the staff at LabCorp will run a thorough and complete diagnostic panel in order to give our physicians a complete medical profile, including the levels of various hormones in your body. At this point, we will consult you and provide you with our professional medical opinion and talk to you about the various options available to enhance your overall health. From that point, we can write you a prescription and arrange for any of our various hormone replacement therapy programs to be delivered via FedEx overnight shipping so that you can start your hormone therapy ASAP. It's that easy. HGH hormone replacement therapy is safe and effective, and there is a growing body of evidence which continues to attest to that fact. With proper physician-mediated HGH injection therapy, there is minimal risk of complication, and if you feel that growth hormone deficiency may be causing a negative impact on your health, the friendly and educated staff of the Conscious Evolution Institute is here to serve you in helping you improve both your health and your life. So go ahead and click the link below in the description of this video to contact us via our contact form or give us a call on our provided telephone number.